Today discussion about obsessive compulsive disorder. The obsessive compulsive disorder is considered a chronic mental health condition. This psychiatric disorder is characterized by obsessive, distressful thoughts and compulsive ritualistic behavior. Those with obsessive compulsive disorder are known to have a variety of symptoms and behaviors that are characteristics of the disorder. A person with OCD commonly perform the same rituals such as hand washing over and may feel unable to control these impulses. The Diagnostic Statistical Manual DSM-5 defines obsessive compulsive disorder as the presence of obsession, compulsion, or both. Compulsion or repetitive behavior or mental acts the person feel they must do in response and to an obsession or applied according to rigid rules. Common obsessive symptoms. In OCD, obsession are defined as repetitive thoughts, urges, impulses, or mental images that cause anxiety or distress. These obsessions are considered interactive and unwanted. The person attempts to ignore or suppress the thoughts, urges, or images via some other thoughts or action. Fear of getting germs by touching items perceived as being contaminated, a strong need for order, and tobacco thoughts, aggressive thoughts, which often involve fear of harming others or self and may manifest as compulsive behavior, such as being obsessive with news report about violence. Specific example of common compulsion in people with OCD includes excessive hand washing or cleaning, excessive organizing, realistic counting, repetitively checking on things. Common traits of people with OCD. Some adults and most children with OCD are unaware that their behavior and thoughts are not normal. Young children are not usually able to explain the reason they have disturbing mental thoughts or why they perform realistic behavior. In children, the sign of symptoms of OCD are usually detected by a teacher or a parents. Diagnosis or identifying the OCD. There are no diagnostic lab tests, genetic tests, or the other formal tests of diagnosing OCD. A diagnosis is made after a interview with a skilled clinical who can or who has been trained in diagnosis mental health. How are the traits and symptoms that a qualified clinical will look for when formulating a diagnosis of OCD?